Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:64 scale Mercedes-Benz 560 SEL W126 from Master Models. I'm not sure whether this car is licensed or not, as I couldn't find any information about the license. So here's the car, and as you can see, there's a metal plate on the base with the name of the car and the brand on it. Moving on to the car, the headlights are really well detailed and the hood ornament is photo etched. The logo on the grille and the grille itself is really well detailed. If you look carefully, you can also see the headlight wipers as well. The wheels also look really nice, but there's no Mercedes logo at the center. It also shines really well. The dual tone paint job makes the car look really nice. You can also see the antenna near the C-pillar. Moving on to the back, the tail lamps are really well detailed, and the Mercedes and the 560 SEL logo are metal stickers and they look really nice. And this is the right side of the car. The sunroof is also really well detailed. Moving on to the interior, which is really well detailed, you can see the wooden trim on the dashboard from here. The steering wheel also looks really nice. You can see the instrument cluster from here as well. The wooden trim also extends to the center console. And there's more of it on the door cards as well. The seats also look really nice. The silver window trim also looks really nice. The storage compartments on the parcel shelf are also really well detailed. You can see the various buttons on the dashboard more clearly from here. The wipers are separate and are not molded in with the windshield. You can also see that the top of the dashboard is again really well detailed. There are chrome inserts in the rearview mirror and they reflect really well. But there's no silver insert in the interior rearview mirror. So here's the car out of its base and it looks really nice. The undercarriage is really well detailed and you can see all the parts from here. The exhaust system is painted in silver as well. Both the front and rear wheels roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.